The federal government has reopened all 47 unity colleges across Nigeria, reaffirming its commitment to the safety of students and continuity of education nationwide. According to the Federal Ministry of Education, academic activities have fully resumed in the affected schools after security measures were strengthened within and around the campuses. In a statement issued by the ministry's Director of Press and Public Relations, Boriowo Folashade, the government confirmed that students have returned safely, with many concluding their December academic programs, while others have successfully completed their examinations. The ministry assured parents, guardians, and general public that the safety, welfare, and well-being of students remain a top priority for federal government. It stated that authorities are working closely with relevant security agencies to sustain stability, restore confidence, and ensure normalcy in school environments across the country. According to the statement, the administration remains resolute in its responsibility to protect every Nigerian child and uphold their fundamental rights to education in a safe and secure environment. The ministry emphasized that education remains a critical pillar of national development and human capital growth, stressing that the government is determined to prevent disruptions to the academic calendar. Officials added that the safe return of students and the successful conduct of examinations in several unity colleges underscore the government's resolve to keep learning on track despite prevailing security challenges. The ministry also expressed appreciation to parents, school administrators, and students for their cooperation, patience, and support during the period of uncertainty. The federal government reiterated its commitment to sustaining a secure, stable, and uninterrupted education system nationwide.